That's close. That's worth a huge shout.
But the umpire disagrees.
It has been referred to the third umpire. TV umpire will be in action now.
Right, checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Reaching outside. Impact in line. Not hitting.
But the umpire isn't interested.
Considering the length of the bowler, a fielder has been placed at short leg now.
Goes straight to the fielder. That could be a good length for him to bowl.
That's a brutal delivery. Lucky for the batter to duck in time.
Timing and power. The ball deserved punishment. A fabulous four. Change of pace could be a handy option on this pitch. Connected well, but straight to the fielder.
Stunning, a magnificent shot for four.
The fielder's at slip now. Must look to bowl full and get the ball to shape away to the slips.
Go straight to the fielder.
Well played for a single.
Excellent throw, right at the top of the... Played into the gap. They'll be looking for some runs here.
Oh, excellent running between the wickets. Good delivery outside off and left alone. That's lucky. He edges it and the ball still manages to find the rope.
Pace off. Spinners into the attack.
Oh, that's lovely. Great timing. He has clipped that away beautifully towards the boundary for four.
चलो लड़को
Edged, but falls into no man's land. Lucky escape for him. He might have been in trouble. Finds the fielder. Couldn't find the gap.
One thing is for sure, fans come to this game with immense energy. There is so much colour and noise coming out from the fans. Well played for a single. Wow! He was undone by an absolute beauty.
Hugely disappointed as the batter walks back to the dugout. That was a brute of a delivery. He really surprised the batter with that one.
Nicely played for a single. It was a superb delivery indeed, and the batter couldn't do much there in time to be dismissed. Odd cutters might get extra bounce on this pitch.
Well played for a single. Straight into their hands. That was a good throw. Nicely played for a single. Excellent throw, right at the top of the stumps.
Well, that's wonderfully played, but straight to the fielder.
Goes straight to the fielder. Cricket fans bring such an immense energy, and it is always amazing to see a good crowd in.
That was a glorious shot. Beautifully played for 4.
Considering the length of the bowler, a fielder has been placed at short leg now. Completes the first one quickly. Comes back with a bustling second. That is good running. Straight into their hands. That was a good throw.
That's close. Loud appeal by the bowler. Umpire certainly looks interested. He's given it. Batters decide to go for the review.
Right, checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Pitching outside. Impact outside. Not hitting. I'm afraid you need to overturn your decision. It'll be on screen now.
But the umpire's not interested. Left alone, it's a display of patience and skill.
Well played for a single. Nice shot, but unable to find the gap.
Runs the first one easy. Oh, I think they could sneak an extra one here. Here's a change of angle. He's decided to bowl around the wicket.
Well, that's wonderfully played, but straight to the fielder. Shot, but straight to the fielder.
Bowled in, what a beauty. Smashes into the stumps from an inside edge.